Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to draw structure of human heart. We are going to draw the structure of human heart which is given in 10th standard CBSE book. So first, to make human heart, you need to draw a slanted U. So first, make a slanted U. At the end of this U, at your right hand side, make a small S. Similarly, on the opposite end, make an inverted S. Inside the slanted U, make two V's, but not the pointed V, but a V with a curve. So let us make a V with a curve. We have made our two V's with curve, which are our ventricles. So you can remember V for ventricles. Make sure that the space is bigger at the end compared to the space in the front. Now draw a slanted arrow or a slanted line, not an arrow, a slanted line from this end of our V. The line should be till middle. Don't extend the line till here. It should just be extending till the middle. Opposite to that, parallel to that, draw another line which connects this slanted line. Now connect these two lines along with another S, inverted S. Similarly, on the opposite end, draw in the same way. A slanted line, another line parallel to this slanted line, and then these two slanted lines are connected with another line of S. Now in the middle, the two lines which make our V, extend the line little ahead of this curve and draw two horns of the devil. These are our devil horns. Extend the line of this devil horns and curve it in the front. Extend it little bit and then take a turn. Opposite to this devil horns, make another pair of horns. This line of the horn, the later line of the horn, extend it downward parallel to this and then extend it upward, but leave a little gap here, leave a little gap in between. Do the same thing for this horn too. Extend it downward till here, take it further upward, but don't join here, leave a little gap. So the gap which is left here has to be connected with our curve line. So connect the gap by extending two lines anywhere on the curve. You can draw it anywhere along this curve. Similarly, extend one line. First this line will go parallel to this and then it will take a turn. It will take a slight turn. Similarly, draw another line. Take a slight turn and connect it here. Now, draw another line which should be touching these two lines from here. You can draw it anywhere from here, but make sure it touches our curve or slanted line. We have drawn one line, leave little bit of the gap and draw another similar curvy line. To this curvy line, we will make L. We will join an L. First a straight L and then an inverted L. So we have got our two L's. Once the L is completed, draw a line from here. Leave this gap. Draw the same line here. Leave this gap, and when you reach here, put a tick mark. When you reach here, put a tick mark. Similarly, opposite to this line, extend another two set of lines. Leave this gap. Connect it here. Leave this gap also. When you come here, from this line, put another pair of tick marks. Now it's time to just put V. Put a V over here. Put another V over here. So our human heart is completed, the structure of human heart. Now it's time for labellings. Labellings are very important. If you have just drawn the diagrams and not labelled, then you don't get any marks. So labelling is equally important as much as the drawing. So first we can start with the V that we remembered for the ventricle. Now you know that for the labelling of the heart, it is always opposite. So if this side is your right hand, you will label it opposite, that is left side. So you will name it as left ventricle. So this side will become right ventricle. Above the ventricle we have atrium. So above this we have the left atrium. Opposite to the left atrium, this space is called right atrium. Now we know that left and right chambers are always separated, so that oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood always remain separate. So in order to keep the blood separate, there is a presence of septum which separates the left and right side of the heart. Next, we have to label above the left atrium, we have pulmonary vein. Besides the pulmonary vein, we have this tube which you will label as pulmonary artery. Beside the pulmonary artery, we have aorta. Besides the aorta, we have this tube, and besides this tube, we have our last tube. These two tubes together are called vena cava. If you want to be specific, this is superior vena cava, and this below here is inferior vena cava. Now you might think, what is this tube? This tube is nothing but the extension of pulmonary artery. So pulmonary artery is this also and this also. So you can label both these tubes, the one you see here as well as here is pulmonary artery. Next, you might wonder, what are these? These are nothing but the valves which are present. function of the valve is to prevent the blood from flowing backward. So between atrium and ventricle, we have presence of tricuspid and bicuspid valve. On the left hand side, we have bicuspid valve. On the right hand side, we have tricuspid valve. Now you might wonder, what were these devil horns for? These two are also valves, but these two valves are called semilunar valve. They are called semilunar valve. So here we have completed the structure of a human heart. Please tell me, how did you like the video and which other topic you would like to be explained in this way. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.